put on the safety glasses. We've got the ventilation running. The oxygen concentrators are running as well. I light the flame with my striker. And I get a mandrel, some ivory glass. I have pre-made stringer and regular rod and ivory, and I'm going to make a bone bead. So first I'm just going to make a tube, not very long because these are going to be kind of tiny, small anyway, maybe not tiny. I'm just going to roll the glass onto the mandrel, heat the glass, not the mandrel. That's my one piece of advice there. You want to heat up the mandrel first before you lay the glass on, though, because otherwise the ivory will bubble. Now I'm just going to roll it in my back-to-back shaper that I got from Stacy Lynn Russo. Thank you, Stacy. It's wonderful. I love it. Now I'm going to take that tube that I've made here, and I'm going to add 4 bumps to it, 2 on each side. I use the stringer because it just melts a lot faster and I can go quicker. So then, when I'm at the dot, it's a little bit of a heat control thing. You're going to want to angle the mandrel so that the bone bumps go in the right direction. And there is number 4. Okay. Now, it looks all right, but it's a bit, bumpy. So what I do is I add a little bit more on each bump, and add a little bit more on those too. And what I'm going to do is spot heat just that corner, and if you can heat up the tube as well as the bump, it will get rid of that undercut, which is what you want. Now I'm doing the other side and angling. Good. And you want to wait till it becomes opaque again, and that means it's cool enough to stay stable. And we're angling. You just keep flipping it back and forth so it doesn't go too far, but far enough. It's really, you're going to lose a few to gravity because it does take a while to figure out how hot is hot enough and how hot is too hot. Alright, so it's okay. I have a little bit more glass I need to add to this one because it ended up a little small and too melted in. Alright, so now I have pretty much the shape I want. I'm going to just finalize it a little bit with my marker. And that's it. It's done. And it can go in the film.